음식, 음식. 음식을 주문해요. 여기 음식 진짜 맛있어요. 음식이 조금 매워요. 반찬, 반찬.
In many Korean restaurants, main dishes are often served with several small side dishes called banchan. Banchan refers to a variety of small side dishes served with a meal. Common examples include kimchi, seasoned vegetables, rolled omelets, and stir-fried potatoes. Some restaurants serve only 1 or 2 types of banchan, while others may offer more than 10. In Korea, the banchan is usually provided free of charge. If you run out of banchan, you can ask for more. If you politely ask the staff, 반찬 좀 더 주실 수 있나요? Could you please give me some more side dishes? Most restaurants will provide more. If there is 셀프바 or 셀프코너 in the restaurant, you can go there and take as much as you like.
반찬 좀 더 주실 수 있나요? 반찬이 맛있어요. 반찬이 다양해요. 셀프바, 셀프코너. 셀프바, 셀프코너.
When dining at Korean restaurants, you might see a sign that says 추가 반찬은 셀프입니다. This means that after finishing the side dishes initially provided, you can help yourself to more if you'd like. At the 셀프코너 or 셀프바, usually located in one corner of the restaurant, various items such as kimchi, leafy vegetables for wraps, and sauces are prepared. Here, you can freely get more side dishes without calling the staff. When using the self-service bar, it is considered good manners in Korea to take only as much as you can eat.
반찬은 셀프바에 있어요. 셀프바를 이용해요. 셀프코너에 상추 더 있어요. 밥, 공깃밥. 밥, 공깃밥.
In Korean restaurants, pap is a central part of the meal. It is usually served in a stainless steel bowl with a lid, which is called 공깃밥. Korean meals are typically enjoyed with rice, along with soup, stew, and side dishes. Depending on the restaurant or the dish, rice may be included by default, or you may need to order it separately. If you want to order it, you can simply say 공깃밥 하나 주세요, which means 1 bowl of rice, please.
공깃밥 하나 주세요. 밥을 먹어요. 공깃밥 2개 주세요. 공깃밥 하나 추가해 주세요. 돌솥밥, 돌솥밥.
There are restaurants that serve 돌솥밥 instead of the usual bowl of rice. 돌솥밥 refers to rice freshly cooked in a hot stone pot. Cooking rice in a stone pot keeps it warm for a long time and creates a crispy layer of toasted rice at the bottom called 누룽지. There's a special way to eat 돌솥밥. First, scoop the rice out of the stone pot and place it in a separate bowl. Next, pour some water into the pot and close the lid. While you eat the rice you set aside, the nu룽지 inside the pot softens and the water turns into a nutty, warm broth called sungnyung. Eating this warm nu룽지 and sungnyung at the end of the meal is a traditional and comforting way to finish a Korean meal.
누룽지 누룽지 숭늉 숭늉
Be careful, as the stone pot is extremely hot.
돌솥이 뜨거워요. 돌솥밥으로 변경할 수 있나요? 돌솥밥 밥맛이 좋아요.
Quiz time.
반찬 셀프코너 돌솥밥 음식 공깃밥 쌈 쌈
Ssam is a common Korean way of eating by wrapping various ingredients in leafy vegetables. Usually, a leaf such as lettuce or perilla leaves is placed on the palm, and then rice, meat, garlic, and other ingredients are added.
상추 상추 깻잎 깻잎
To complete the wrap, a small amount of samjang is added before the whole thing is folded into a single bite.
쌈장 쌈장
This style of dining is commonly seen at Korean barbecue restaurants or raw fish restaurants.
쌈 싸서 먹어요. 쌈을 좋아해요. 쌈, 야채 좀 더 주실 수 있나요? 양념, 소스 양념, 소스
In Korean restaurants, various condiments are often provided so that diners can adjust the flavor of their food to their own taste. For example, many restaurants provide basic seasonings such as soy sauce, salt, and pepper.
간장 간장 소금 소금 후추 후추
In addition, special Korean sauces and pastes are often served. Samjang is a savory soybean paste sauce that is commonly used as a dipping sauce for fresh vegetables or grilled meats. For soup-based dishes, other condiments such as 다대기 and 새우젓 are frequently used. 다대기 is a spicy seasoning paste made by mixing red chili powder with various seasonings. It is often added to give the broth extra heat and flavor.
다대기 다대기
새우젓 is made from tiny shrimp preserved in salt. It is commonly added to enhance the savory flavor of pork or soup.
새우젓 새우젓
It's best to taste the food first and then add these condiments little by little to suit one's personal preference.
양념을 넣어요. 소스에 찍어 먹어요. 소스 좀 더 주세요. 사리, 사리.
In many Korean restaurants, especially those serving jjigae, jeongol, or dakgalbi, an option called sari is often available. Sari refers to extra ingredients added to the main dish. The most common types are noodles, such as ramen sari and udon sari. Other options like tteok and mandu are also frequently available. Adding sari is a popular way to make the dish more filling and flavorful, allowing diners to customize the meal to their taste.
라면 사리 하나 추가해 주세요. 모둠사리 추가해 주세요. 떡사리 추가돼요. 후식, 후식.
In Korean restaurants, especially at BBQ places, a hushik menu is often available. Hushik refers to food eaten at the end of a meal. While the term often makes people think of sweet desserts like cake or ice cream, in Korea, it also refers to savory dishes enjoyed to finish a meal. For example, after eating meat, many people order hushik naengmyeon or hushik 된장찌개. These dishes are usually smaller and more affordable than regular menu items.
후식 냉면, 후식 냉면. 후식 된장찌개, 후식 된장찌개.
Another popular hushik is 볶음밥. After finishing a main dish such as dakgalbi, gopchang, or haemuljim, rice is stir-fried with the remaining sauce, seaweed flakes, and sesame oil. This is a fun and unique way Koreans finish a meal.
볶음밥, 볶음밥. 후식으로 아이스크림을 먹어요. 후식 냉면 주세요. 후식으로 볶음밥을 먹어요. 서비스, 서비스.
While dining at a Korean restaurant, a server may occasionally bring a dish that was not ordered. If they say 이건 서비스예요, it means the item is provided free of charge. While the English word service usually refers to customer assistance, in a Korean dining context, it is a unique expression for complimentary food or drinks offered as a gesture of hospitality. If this happens at your table, just say 감사합니다, which means thank you, and enjoy the restaurant's warm hospitality.
감사합니다. 감사합니다. 이건 서비스예요. 음료수를 서비스로 주셨어요. 서비스까지 주셔서 감사합니다.
Quiz time.
양념, 쌈, 후식, 사리, 감사합니다.